Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to do a flip through of my latest kit. This is my kit for March. I will have put it up in Patreon shop and the freebies for it by Valentine's Day, so February the 14th, but it won't be available in Etsy till the beginning of March. So these first 10 papers are freebies on Patreon for all paying Patreon members. So there's 10 of them all together. Did I say it's called Woodland Walk? I can't remember if I did. So it's very pastel, pinks, quite a lot of pink. It's a nice green. Don't think this light's doing it much favours. That's probably better for colour wise. So they're two different greens. So these are all back in pages. Nice tartany one there. And that one. So that's 10 sheets of freebies. There is now 336 freebies on Patreon. So if you're not in there, yeah, pop along and get those all downloaded. So these 5 are exclusive ones for if you buy the kit from the Patreon shop. So this is 5 pages. So these are either you know, journal cards, or you can make them into little notebooks or pockets. We've got an extra writing page. I've got this little nest with a robin and some flowers and a little hedgehog down here. Another writing page. Got a badger up there and a bunny rabbit down there. Then we've got this pale green dotted one and a pink dotted one. So they're the 5 extra if the kit's purchased in Patreon. So this is the actual 35 page kit, which will be in Etsy and obviously, you know, in Patreon as the 40 page. So there's 50 pages altogether. Okay, so we've got some tags. We've got the stitching around them and metal eyelets. Done them quite plain, so you can decorate them as you wish. These can either be journal cards. They're actually frames, but I've put the tea stained background in case you don't want to cut it out. So you could just put a picture on top of that instead of cutting it out. So that's those. Then we've got this lovely file folder and envelope. Little folio here, a pocket, like a window pocket. Again, I've put the tea stained piece in if you didn't want to cut that out. Got a couple of pockets which can fit in there, or it can fit at the back of that one, and a couple of labels. Then we've got fussy cuts. So we've got a page of woodland animals. I've done it on the tea stained background, so you know you could tear around them if you wanted, or you know, you don't have to worry so much about cutting them out neatly like you do, you know, when it's got the white background. We've got these, which again can be torn around or cut around. You could cut these out and use them as journal cards or make them into pockets or something, but you know, they are I have made them as fussy cuts. Then we've got some trees and a couple of stumps, and then we've got some florals, some wild raspberries and strawberries and blueberries, and a couple of mushrooms. Then we've got them at half size. So we've got the animals and the trees on that one, and the florals on this one, the florals and mushrooms. We've got 2 pages of words, things like pixie, wanderlust, dreamscape, wildflower, evergreen, enchantment, vintage, timeless, yesteryear, and then some little you know, sayings: dance with fairies, follow the butterflies. And then I've done them at half size as well. So that's like the ephemera and the embellishments. And then we've got our journal pages. So we've got these with a fox and some florals, and then this lovely bunny and some florals. And a little squirrel and a deer on this one. Another writing page, and I've done the florals through the middle. So when you fold it in half, you've got some florals on that side and some on that side. And another one like that. And then we've got a few with a picture on one side and then a writing space on the other side. So on one side you'd have your picture, and on the other side you would have your writing page. You can always stick those together and make them, you know, cut them down slightly and have them as a journal card, and you've got your backing then already on. But yeah, they are supposed to be journal pages, but obviously you can use it any way you want. You can print these off two to a page, and you know, make them into journal cards, or 4 to a page, and like I say, and then use that part as the back. So another one, and then we've got some with bunnies on, and another one with bunnies. A woodland here, and another woodland one there. And then we go on to the full patterned pages. So we've got a lovely woodland one there, different to the ones on the writing pages. So these are nice for your centre or the front of your journal. Or you can cut them up to make your own ephemera. Got another one. Then we've got a full one with the deers on them, and a full one with the rabbits on. With these wallpaper ones. These are different to the freebie sheets. They're the same, you know, colour and stuff, but they're a different pattern. And another wallpapery one. Okay, and we have this nice patterned one, And another dotted one. Again, I think there's a green dotted one in one of the freebies, but it's a different tone. I think it's a bit paler than that one. Then we have a couple of these pink ones. Again, different to the freebie ones. This one with the tea stain paper and the ditzy florals in the background, and then the tea stained paper on its own. So that is Woodland Walk. Like I say, it's a 35-page kit on Etsy. It is available as a download or as a print and post. If you are on Patreon, you get it as a 40-page. And if you are on Patreon and you don't have a printer, just message me in Etsy and let me know your name on Patreon, and I will send you the free sheets if you buy the kit then on Etsy. And then we've got as 10 free sheets in Patreon. Okay, so a massive kit. Really enjoyed making it. Love the soft colours. And that's it for today. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.